Today, I want to confront a painful reality that many of us have faced but often find too difficult to speak about. It's a reality that cuts deep, leaving scars on our hearts and challenging everything we believe about love, trust, and humanity. It's about those moments when the people we trusted the most, the ones we loved and believed in, chose to hurt us. Not by accident, not out of ignorance, but with full awareness and intent. They saw our pain, they saw our suffering, and yet they continued. They chose to hurt us deliberately, knowingly, and with a cold disregard for the damage they were inflicting. This is not just about acknowledging that pain, it's about finding the strength to heal, to rise, and to reclaim our power in the face of such profound betrayal. When someone we care about knowingly hurts us, it shakes the very foundation of our being. It feels like the ground beneath us has been pulled away, leaving us to stumble in the dark, questioning everything we once believed. We ask ourselves, why? Why would someone who claims to care about us choose to inflict such pain? It's a question that reverberates in our minds, repeatedly deepening a wound that feels beyond healing. But today, I want to tell you something crucial. Their actions do not define you. The cruelty they chose to inflict on you does not diminish your worth. You are not responsible for their insensitivity or their disregard for your feelings. What you are responsible for is how you choose to respond to that hurt, how you choose to heal, and how you choose to move forward. It's natural to feel broken after such betrayal, to feel like you are drowning in a sea of pain and confusion. It's okay to feel this way. It's okay to grieve, to cry, to feel anger and sorrow. These emotions are not a sign of weakness, they are a necessary part of the healing process. This pain is just a chapter in your story. It is not the end. Healing begins when you accept what has happened. Accept that it was not your fault. Accept that you cannot change their actions or their choices. But most importantly, accept that you have the power to reclaim your life, to rebuild your spirit, and to find joy again. Forgiveness is a word that often feels too big, too difficult, especially when the wounds are so deep. But I want you to understand something about forgiveness. It is not about them. Forgiveness does not mean that you condone what they did or that you forget the pain they caused. No, forgiveness is about freeing yourself. It's about letting go of the hold their actions have over your heart. It's about unchaining yourself from the bitterness and resentment that threatens to keep you stuck in a cycle of pain. Forgiveness means giving yourself permission to move forward, to step into the light without the weight of their wrongs holding you back. There is immense power in transforming pain into purpose. Your experience, as painful as it may be, can become a source of strength. It can serve as a reminder of your resilience, your capacity to endure and overcome. Use your story, your journey, to inspire others who may be going through the similar struggles. Your path to healing can become a beacon of hope for someone else, a testament to the incredible power of the human spirit to overcome even the deepest of wounds. Remember this, you are stronger than you think. The fact that you are here, right now, standing, breathing, and living despite the pain you have endured is proof of your incredible strength. You have faced the darkness and you have survived. But survival is not enough. It's time for you to thrive. Move forward one step at a time, no matter how small. Each step you take away from the pain is a victory. Each day you choose to focus on your healing is a triumph. Celebrate these small victories because they are the building blocks of your new life. Friends, you must believe in your worth, believe in your strength, believe that you deserve happiness, love, and peace. Do not allow the actions of others to dictate your future. You have the power right now to create a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. You have the power to rewrite your story, to reclaim your narrative from those who tried to tear you down. To everyone here today who has been hurt by the deliberate actions of others, I want you to know this. You are not alone. You are seen. You are valued. And you have the power to heal and to rise. Let today be the day you choose to reclaim your power. Let today be the day you pick up the pieces of your heart piece by piece and begin to rebuild with courage and grace. Understand that healing is not a linear journey. There will be days when the pain feels too much to bear, days when you might feel like giving up. But remember, those days do not define you. The pain you feel is not a reflection of your worth or your future. It is a part of your process and it will pass. Each day you wake up and choose to keep going, you are choosing to thrive. You are choosing to live a life that is not dictated by the pain inflicted upon you, but by the strength that lies within you. Let your experience be a catalyst for change, not just in your own life, but in the lives of others. Your story has the power to heal, to inspire, and to uplift. It can be the light that guides others out of their own darkness, the strength they need to keep going when all seems lost. So I ask you to believe in yourself. Believe that you are worthy of love, of happiness, of peace. Believe that you have the strength to rise above the hurt, to transcend the pain, and to create a future that is brighter and more beautiful than you ever imagined. Do not let the actions of others dictate the course of your life. You are in control. You have the power to create a life that is filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. To those who have been hurt, I see you, I hear you, and I believe in you. You are not alone on this journey. There are others who have walked this path before you, and there are those who will walk it after you. But your journey is your own, and it is filled with the potential for incredible growth and transformation. Let today be the day you take the first step toward healing. Let today be the day you choose to rise, to reclaim your power, and to move forward with courage and grace. The pain you have endured does not define you. Your strength, your resilience, your capacity to love and to heal, that is what defines you. That is what makes you who you are. So stand proud and know that you are stronger than you ever imagined. Thank you for watching.